Open the browser and the type lms.ejiv.edu.in. You will be redirected to learning management system. So you will have home page, then click on menu 3 dash, then click on student registration. You will have student registration form. Write down your first name, then last name. You have to write your username. In case of username, you can write your first name and last name combination, or simply the first name. Then write down your email. And write down the password. This password will be different from your email address password. Click on register. After registration, you will have dashboard. So you need to complete your profile. So click on settings and complete your profile. Scroll down and write your phone number. Then the description about yourself. That is, if you are a SY student, then write down SY student, or the skills. You can write your skills also. Then you can upload the profile photo through upload image button. Scroll down and click on update profile. Your profile gets updated. So you can go to your enrolled courses, where you can see the list of enrolled courses. Currently you will not have any, you are not enrolled to any course, so you will get message you didn't purchase any course. And you will don't have any active courses, so go to menu courses, just scroll down and click on get enrolled. After clicking on get enrolled, you will have this type of page where you will have an option to enroll. So click on enroll now. After clicking this button, you will get enrolled to this HTML and JavaScript course. So now you are successfully enrolled to this course. You can start the course with the help of start course button. Scroll up. Here there are 3 sections: course page, question answer, and announcements. Click on questions and answers, Q&A. You can write your questions here as the general questions. Write down the question title and actual question in the next box. You can write here your questions. and click on post question. Your question will get posted. Then scroll up. There is a third section, that is announcements. Click on announcements. If you have any announcements related with this course, then you will have the message with respect to the announcements. You can share this link or join the group, WhatsApp group, to get latest notifications. And you can click on start course to start your actual course. If you click on start course, then you will be redirected to your first lesson. This is your first lesson. So here you will get all the contents. There is a left side arrow. On the left side there will be arrow. So using that arrow you can traverse through different sections like lesson list, and you can also browse the question and answers. You can submit the questions. And you can see the question and answer of another students. After seeing the video or any course material, you can click on complete course. If you have to go back, then you can click on menu. If you have to log out, you can continue with the continue to lesson button. If you want to continue. To log out from the course, click on menu, dashboard. There is an option for logout. Scroll down, there is a logout. Currently you have enrolled for one course. Enrolled courses are 1. So you are successfully logged out.